The investigation reports say it focuses on foreign.
Alexa, play some music.
Here is a station you recently listened to, The Chainsmokers, from Amazon Music.
Dog, it is 60 degrees today. Right now it's about 5 a.m. I got a couple of sessions this morning and I'm gonna go work out. Also, today's the Patriots parade, so you know, it's gonna be another excuse to walk around the city.
So I'm just talking to myself usually, so I'm just like, holy shit, you know, just doing it. And she's like, Christian, you alright over there? I said, yo, just let me be. Like, I'm just in my zone, just let me be. You know, it's like, I said, just crescendos to a point where I'm like, yep, this is it. And then I'm just like, I don't know how I do it. That's how that quote came about. I said, I don't know how I do it, but I be doing it. I was just in the zone, like.
All right, yo, what up, tribe? It's your boy C's from theCeesoflife.com. Camera, okay, lighting. All right, so did you see the first episode?
I haven't.
Well, you was in the first episode of season 3.
Okay.
Talking that shit.
Oh, talking my shit.
All right, so I challenged my man because he is one of the most creative minds that I've come in contact with here in Boston, right? And I just challenged him to create something every single day for 90 days. I don't know, like, is it 90 days or no? It's Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Yeah,
60 seconds of him talking shit.
Talking shit, speaking my wisdom, what's on my mind. It has to be right after my coffee because that's when I have the most things, most thoughts that consume my mind.
All right, so here's the piece. I'm gonna leave his Instagram in the link below, and you guys go show him some love because you're gonna see those 60-second spots come up.
Yep.
All right, and he is gonna be talking that, and he's talking that genius shit too, not just bullshit.
Yep.
It's genius shit. Yep. All right, so. Yep. Hold him accountable, and you're gonna see our forces just come together and crush it.
Yep, but like he said, my name is Christian Neal, Christian Neal Jones. You reach greatness, baby. Let's go.
There you go. And what's the website where they need an awesome creative director? Where can they?
Website neilcreative.com. Neil Neil Creative CREATIVE.com, and it's Chris Neal on Instagram.
All of that is going to be down below. All right, so go show him some love and support the homie.
There we go.
All right, now my turn to go get some workout in, and yeah, let's get it. All right, so that is the cardio session. As always, the full cardio session or workout is going to be in the description below. Quick little 20-minute burst after the warm-up, and you're done.
Working on my feet, working on my form. See, back in my 20s, it was all heavyweight, bad form. Yeah, I was in the 400, 500 club, it was bad form. And I paid for it in my 30s. So then I had to learn how to really use my body. And now it's coming full circle. It's like, I'm in my 40s, but I'm in better shape than I was when I was 20. Maybe I'm not as strong. I'm in better shape. My endurance is better. My body feels better. I can work out every day versus having to take 3 days off in pain. So as you get older, you kind of learn how to adapt, still be a beast at the same time, right? But if you don't learn those things, those are the people that push through and don't listen to their body. I learned to listen to my body, late 20s, early 30s. If you don't, you're not gonna have it very long.
I definitely beat the madness because as I was leaving the city, everybody and their mama was headed in. So good luck trying to get home from there. Now I got a couple of calls that I'm about to I got a couple of calls I got to get on and then get to work thereafter. So I just got off the phone with my client, and she loves the project so far. Just a little bit of details sprinkled in there and the project is done. Actually is not quite done until she gives it the final stamp of approval, which then the project is done. Like all in, it took about 2 weeks, but not necessarily 2 weeks, but I would say 10 hours. It took 10 hours from shooting day to editing this process. So good 10 hours worth of work, not bad. And now I'm gonna grab me some lunch because Mastermind call starts in about 90 minutes, and I'll probably give you a quick little behind the scenes on that call as well. So till then, let's go grab us some lunch. Yep. So quick little hello. This is the behind the scenes. A look at the mastermind crew. We got Mike and Tara so far. Some more of the crew are coming. So I'm still vlogging while we do this. Not for the whole meeting, but I just wanted to give the viewers the behind the scenes sneak peek of how these mastermind sessions work. That meeting has concluded. So right now it's live. The group is live. It is a private group right now, so the link is in the description below. Go check that out and answer those questions. Join the group, engage with the community, and yo, let's live it up. Let's make it a big one. All right, let's grow it as big as we possibly can. All right, let's get it.